click, watch, and earn. The easy 3 simple process that I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 in 1 minute watching simple videos online. Now, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. This is not something that's going to make you super rich. In fact, you're not going to see hundreds of dollars every single day. This is more of a tool or a strategy you can use to watch videos and make anywhere between $3 and $10 per video or per day online by doing this. So it's a great way to get some extra free cash for extra spending money, pocket money, movies, entertainment, food, you name it. Or if you want to invest this money to grow a more sustainable business, you can do that as well. It's all up to you to do what you want from what you earn from this video. And if you're watching this video, the chances are that you are watching a lot of other videos on YouTube, and if you're watching this video, the chances are that you have been watching a lot of YouTube videos or a lot of videos in the day or throughout the day. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually make money watching these videos and doing simple watching video tasks like this, making $3 plus sometimes per video. I'm also going to show you how you can watch videos of just your phone and your PC with a simple internet connection. You can actually do this on the go, whether you're in the train station, the subway, you can make money on your phone doing this. I'm going to show you proof of my earnings as well. I've earned some money from this, well over $300 so far. I will show you my dashboard just in a bit. I'm actually going to show you a total of 3 websites that you can use to make money from this, to actually open up maybe multiple streams of income. Well, 3 websites could mean 3 streams of income. But at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to have an excellent, epic giveaway for you guys. I'm going to do a $2,000 program course giveaway. Make sure to watch for that. And also, I just want to say thank you for the recent support on the channel. I really want to hit the goal of 50 likes in this video, so please make sure to hit the like button down below if you really enjoy my videos, and make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value pack and epic video just like this one. But guys, we're going to get straight into it. Alright, so the first website that I'm going to show you guys is this website over here. So this is a website where you can get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. For example, Nike, Adidas, Audi, videos from all over the world from various different brands, and you can make up to $3 in just a couple of minutes. Plus, you can also unlock exclusive bonus offers that will even pay you more. And most videos are on average of about 45 seconds, and you'll earn anywhere between a couple of cents to $3 for watching these 45-second videos. So it's 3 simple steps. Just take a look at this. Watch a video. You'll receive a text when it's time to log in to watch this short video. They've been handpicked for you. You will get rewarded. So that's a minimum of 50 cents to $3 per video interaction. And you can make an additional $1 for every friend you refer to this video. So if you have a couple of friends in your street or in your school or wherever you're watching from, you can literally go up to one of your friends and tell them, hey, I just found this website, I made $3 watching a video, send them your referral link and you will get an extra $1 for just referring them. When you reach $10, you can cash out. If you think about it, let's work on the minimum of 50 cents per video. You just need to watch 20 videos before you can get paid out your $10. This website has paid over $1.1 million so far in the first 12 months. And as you can see, this is just going up and up and up, and people are getting paid out all the time. And you can get paid in so many different ways. Direct transfer to bank, e-gift cards, so that's PayPal gift cards, or you can actually choose to donate all of your earnings that you've made from this to different charities. So if you want to be generous, you can do that. And over here are other people that are making money from this. All you need to do is just click on the see how in 45 seconds. They will give you a quick 45-second video on exactly how to make money from this. What I suggest is sometimes the website on the desktop version does give a bit of problems, but just come over to Google and search Add Wallet app, and you should actually be able to go Add Wallet for Android and just go Add Wallet iOS app. You can download this APK app over here. It's only 4.8 megs. You just need to plug your phone into your PC with your cable, and then from there you can copy this APK onto your phone, install it, and you'll be able to watch this little video over here, this how to in 40 seconds. It gives you each and every step on how to do this. So you just need to put in some personal information over here. For example, you create a free account on the app. Once you log in on your phone, you're going to open up the app. It will ask you to rate this ad, so it will give you about 45 seconds. And from there, once you've watched the video, you can choose. You can see here, for example, you got rewarded $3. You can choose if you want to get that in gift card or direct to bank, and it's as simple as that. You can also go and download this application on the iOS store from Apptopia. so you can unlock that over there and download this for your mobile application on iOS. Once you know how to do that, and once you've got the app, click on sign up now over here. Now I want to quickly show you this error message. This error message you will get if you are not accepted in this country, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get on this website anyway. So I am from South Africa. This app is only supported in the US. What you need to do is just come back to the homepage of AdWallet, go and install to your Chrome browser a VPN called Setup VPN. Look for the country United States. It will connect you to United States. Refresh this page over here, click on sign up, and you will see the sign up page will pop up. So all you now do is sign in with your first name, your last name, zip code, date of birth, account information. You can go and create your account, start watching videos, and earn anywhere between $0.50 and $3 per video. Next, you're going to come over to this website over here called Bucks Inside. So as it says, get paid every 10 seconds. So at Bucks Inside, you are going to get paid for just browsing our advertisers' websites. You can cash out instantly, and you can only cash out at $2. So the minimum cash out rate at $2 is very low, so it becomes easy to cash out. So all you have to do is just click on the register button on the top right over here. It will take a couple of seconds to load. Make sure you're connected to the United States. You just need to enter your username, your login payment email, your repeat email, confirm email, choose your currency, so United dollar. Your payment method can be PayPal, Add Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, which is cryptocurrency, or ATM for Indian users. So this website pays out on any platform, so recommend go and use this as well. And finally, you're going to come over to this website over here called SuccessBucks.com. 3 simple steps. Register an account for free, watch advertisements or perform tasks or surveys, and withdraw your money. Let me show you an idea of what you're earning. So currently over 353,000 registered, over $26,000 earned so far, and your earnings are limitless. So you can make money by watching videos, doing ads, filling out surveys, participating in contests, redeeming offers, listening to music, referring people to this platform, and doing tasks. All you're going to do is just enter your email over here and you click on create an account. Once you land on your dashboard of SuccessBucks.com, it's going to look like this. And I've so far earned about $340 from this in the last month. That's the last month. So as you can see, it's not something that's going to make you super rich, but it's something here that will really allow you to get some extra cash for spending money, to reinvest into something more sustainable, and so forth. But I just want to show you about half of my earnings are from total referrals. So that shows you how powerful the referral program is to this. So I literally go around saying to people, hey, I just earned 20 cents watching videos off this platform. Want me to refer you? You can also join the referral program and earn $1 per referral. So just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard, and not a screenshot or anything like that. There you can see that this is my actual live earnings. I haven't cashed out anything yet. I actually need to do that. So you click on cash out over here and you'll be able to cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or ATM. Now quickly before you go, I want to show you guys something crazy that I just started doing or recently discovered. So over here is the back end of one of my biggest drop servicing stores. So basically what I do is I sell rare high income skills and services, specifically app development and mobile web development services at huge markup. And I sell packages through my online store at anywhere between $300 and $600 a package to do that project for somebody. Now the best part is I don't even do that work myself. So I quickly want to show you a couple of sales and I want to explain to you how I do this. So over here, my #1 store has made over $11,000 in sales the last 7 days. That's about $400 to $500, over $2,000 days. And I quickly want to reload to show you this is my live dashboard. And there you can see that this is my refresh dashboard, and I want to explain to you how this works. So for example, what I will go and do is I will create a very corporate, well-branded, business-looking website like this where I sell my service. So for example, I've got 3 different packages: a free demo plan, a team package, and a business package at $80 a month. Now, this specific price the user actually pays annually. So this is actually $26 times 12, and they pay me for a year of service. Now what I go and do is when I get an order on my own website, I get paid $312. I will come over to Fiverr, search mobile app, click on enter over here, and you can go and pay experts on Fiverr to do the service for you and keep all that markup in your pocket. So for example, this person over here is actually one of my service providers. He's a Fiverr choice, top rated, 5 stars, and he charges $75 to design a custom tailor-made app with business logo, design, fitness trackers, any kind of app you can think of for just $75. And what I go and do is I take $75 out of this $312, keep $237 in my pocket, transfer this work from Fiverr to my client that has ordered off my website, and now he's happy, he's got his service. And you'll actually notice over here, this $80 a month package is at 80 times 12 because it's billed annually. 80 times 12, that's $960. Then what I go and do is I go and click on his gig. I go and choose his premium package, which has 3 different operating systems, and it's a custom app tailor-made with 67 different tables, support and everything for $500. And all I do is take $500 out of this $960 and keep $460 in my pocket. That's how my store like this has managed to get to close to, well, over 5 figures in just a week selling these high income skills and services. Now, what's great about this, you can do this worldwide. You can sell these services anywhere. You can target trends all over the world. And I've created this entire 6-figure drop servicing university program and intensive training for you guys, one-on-one video mentoring with me. It's basically having me next to you the entire way, design your successful drop servicing store to replicate results like this. I've got a 7-minute training over here that explains to you all my results from this, exactly each and every module and video in this course. Everything is transparent. You don't need to purchase the course to have a look what's inside. You can already see what's inside, results from other students doing this, and over here, tons of bonuses included, and also a brief overview of all the modules again over here. All you need to do is just click on the add to cart button over here, and over here where it asks you for a coupon, enter the following coupon, MilliClub1600, click on the tick, and it will take about 85% off this entire program. You get lifetime access. You get a list of all my top training services to promote and sell around the world. My winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo that generates me about 15 to 40K net profit per month, and one-on-one lifetime video mentoring with me. And I actually give to you one of my done for you store templates for you to use already. You can either use Bitcoin, direct credit card, or PayPal to check out with this, and all those details will then be sent to your email when you can log into this university program. So if you guys want to get access to this, you can come over to the first link in the description to claim off this discount. This discount is lasting for about another 3 days, and there's only a limit of about 20 of them, so you want to go and claim that down below while all of this is still available. And what I'll do is I'll leave a playlist on the screen over here for more drop servicing content to help you guys out even more. So this is a playlist compiled with some of the best drop servicing videos and that have gotten the best results from viewers on my channel. So I recommend go and click on this playlist over here and go and claim this huge bonus over here on massive discount, and you're set to go to building your entire drop servicing enterprise.